How to make a homemade pizza. Let's go. Heat a skillet low to medium heat. Cook 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook until golden brown. Add 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce and 1 8-ounce can of tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir until the sauce starts to bubble. Cover and simmer on low heat. I will be using Trader Joe's garlic and herb pizza dough. Lay a foundation of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and start to flatten the dough in the shape of a pizza. Set the dough aside, grab your pizza peel, lay a foundation of cornmeal so the pizza can slide off the pizza peel. Season with oregano, add a light layer of shredded Parmesan, sliced pepperonis, pieces of Italian meatball, and thin sliced jalapeno peppers. Top with low moisture shredded mozzarella cheese. Finally, top with the pizza sauce. Preheat your oven at least 1 hour in advance to 500 degrees. Cook on a hot pizza stone for 12 minutes. Slice and serve. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to follow for more home cooking recipes.